Well, looks like it's time for a new battery for the Chevy Cruz 2015. Let's pop the hood. Let's get started. Well, let's take a closer look at this. We're looking for 10mm socket to undo the black negative, 10mm socket to undo the bracket, flat screwdriver to unhook the tab here, and this opens up like that. 10mm socket to undo the positive on the battery. Let's undo these three items and see where we're going from here. Well, there you have it, loosened. Take the negative off to the side. Take the positive off. We've got the nut undone. This support to hold the battery in comes right off. Put that off to the side. Then we got a couple more clips to come off to release this. We'll get right back to you. Well, here you have it. It's clipped right onto the battery here. You can pop that off with the screwdriver. And then there's another one right on the other side there. And then this will come right off. Well, this is our new battery. We got it with 650 cold cranking amps. Gonna give us lots of juice to get this little car started when it's minus 40, minus 50 outside. Let's go put this one in. Positive, red to red, positive there. So let's slide this guy in. Hook it back up. Here's our bracket, hold the battery in place. We'll drop that in right there. Clip goes in here, clip goes in there. Nicely lined up. We'll put our battery bracket back on here. To hook it in here. We'll put it back on there. Can't do it with one hand. I'll show you what it looks like in a minute. Well, here you go. A little easier than I thought. Goes right back in here, hooked in. Nut goes on there nicely. We'll tighten that up with a 10mm socket. Negative goes back on here. This clips on there. Pop this back up. Positive goes back on. Tighten that up with our 10mm socket. Tighten our bracket on. There we go. Clip this back on. There you go. Pretty simple replacement of the battery for 2015 Chevy Cruz. Hopefully it helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on our next adventure.